Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Selenium JAR files in Eclipse. First, navigate to the official Selenium website to download the necessary WebDriver JAR files. It's crucial to select the most recent stable version to ensure compatibility and access to the latest features. Once downloaded, keep these files organized in a dedicated folder for easy access during the next steps of our setup process. Next, open your Eclipse IDE. Go to File, then New, and select Java Project. Give your new project a clear and descriptive name, such as Selenium Automation, to easily identify its purpose. This project will serve as the container for all your Selenium test scripts and configurations, keeping your workspace organized and efficient for development. Now, let's integrate the downloaded Selenium JARs into your Eclipse project. Right-click on your newly created project in the Package Explorer, then navigate to Build Path and select Configure Build Path. Under the Libraries tab, click Add External JARs and browse to the folder where you saved the Selenium JAR files. Select all of them and click Apply and Close. Finally, let's verify your setup. Create a new Java class within your project. Inside this class, try importing a Selenium WebDriver package like org, OpenCA, Selenium, WebDriver. Then, write a very basic script to instantiate a browser and navigate to a website. Running this script successfully confirms that Selenium is correctly configured and ready for your automation tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.